Now I'm here in South Denpasar in Bali, and I've come across one of the most bizarre chefs in the world. Now he's one of the biggest YouTubers in Indonesia. He's got about 14 million subscribers, and his name is Bobon Santoso. And he's got a giant wok about 2.5 meters across, and he just goes around all around Indonesia cooking outrageous food. So today he's cooking like a giant sambal, which is a very hot and spicy sauce that they eat with everything, and he's cooking it with black stone. So he's using the black stone, heating it up, and then cooking the chili and the garlic and the onions and everything to make a sambal. So they're just about to start, and we'll get some film of the Grand Master Chef. Okay, so we're in Bali, Indonesia, and this is the biggest wok in Indonesia. Just check it out. It's about 2 meters across, and the boys are setting up. We've got a vlogger here. What's the name of his channel?
My name is Gede, and this channel is Bobon Santoso.
Bobon Santoso?
Yes.
Alright.
You ever see the wok like it?
Alright. So he goes over here. Yeah, I've seen him here before. I've seen him here before, yeah, just riding past. Alright, so he's got the biggest wok in Indonesia. It's about 2 meters through, and today we're cooking like a giant sambal. A lot of onions.
What today?
And this is stone.
Yeah, he's cooking it with the stone.
Stone Island.
And there's a lot of chili. A lot of, what's this? Green beans, kacang, is it? Or cabai?
Yeah, cabai.
So we've got green chili, red chili, looks like basil, and a lot of shallots. Alright, so here's the Master Chef over here.
Master Chef, Grand Master Chef Indonesia.
The Grand Master Chef.
Hi, Australian people, come to Bali. My Bali island is free. Freedom for you, and very cheap smoking beer, very good for you Australian people. Come on. Come to Bali. Yeah, you know Bali? Yeah, I think good for you. No Thailand, Bali. We no have lady boy.
Bullshit.
Huh? I have this one, mister. This is a very nice, very good choice for you Australian people, you rock and roll people. Yeah, like.
Alright, so this is like Indonesian wine.
Yeah, Indonesian
red wine.
Wine. Yeah, red.
It's $8 a bottle.
Yes, this very cheap. Only $7.
Will you be cooking with that today?
Yeah, I'm cooking stone, and I'm eat with my people because my country is menengah, no rich country, you know.
Ah, bullshit! Indonesia very rich.
So strong. we know pilot, yeah.
Alright. So soon he's going to start cooking, and then we'll get a bit of film with that. So he's got his own crew of people here, about 6 or 7 different staff. He's got photographers, and he's got other chefs. A lot of people are starting to accumulate now to watch him, and I don't know what he's got in the truck here. Oh, he's got boxes. So what he does when he finishes his food, he packages it up and then gives it away to everyone. So this is his wok, his giant wok.
Warga sudah berkumpul, guys. Seperti biasa kalau kita masak besar ya, pasti warga banyak yang lapar.
Ya, banyak kan.
Nah, ada ibu-ibu, ada adik-adik, ada bapak-bapak.
Karena kan kita memang sering berbagi ya, Bos.
Benar. Dan ada Om Bule tuh lagi ngeblok tuh, lihat tuh. Dari mana? Dari mana, Om?
Australia.
Australia. Yes, I love kanguru. I love kanguru. I pakai hari ini. Menurut ibu-ibu kita bakalan masak apa, Bu?
Daging sapi.
Daging sapi, Adek. Nah, daging. Terus ada yang apa?
Apa lagi? Coba
Masak apa?
Daging ayam.
Daging ayam.
Dikit lagi sih sebenarnya.
Ya, kita bahan-bahannya kita kenalin dulu, kasih lihat, Boy. Di sini ada bawang merah, ada cabai hijau. Di sini juga ada kemangi, dan tentunya di sini bahan pokok kita ada batu 1 ton. Langsung saja kita masak batu. Dulu guys ya, kita tuangin minyak ke dalam sini. Nah, ekspresi ibu-ibu ya, nggak tahu nih, kebingungan atau kelaparan. Oh, ya.
Kecewa, Bos.
Kecewa. Tapi tenang saja, Bu. Yang penting Prabowo Presiden kita ganjanya dulu. Kita bikin bumbu-bumbunya dulu. Kita tumis bawang merah. Ini bumbunya benar-benar dengan bumbu-bumbu yang komposisi yang memang sudah kita pelajari ya guys ya. Jadi ini pasti dijamin enak batunya. Kita tuangin cabai ke dalam sini guys. Kita tambahin lagi. Ibu-ibu suka yang pedas? Makan batu nggak? Ya, sekarang kita akan mencicipi batu bersama-sama, oke? Kita akan masukkan batunya. Masukin lagi. Tambah lagi. Jangan diaduk-aduk dulu. Semangat dong, semangat. Nanti makan batu. Itu ya.
Nanti sakit.
Oh no, nanti sakit.
Ketawa dari tadi dia ketawa. Kita masukin micinnya ke dalam sini. Let's go. Yeah.
Now this is absolutely bizarre. He's just got a heap of black stone in there and heaps of chilli and basil and garlic and onions, and I don't know how he's going to separate it or what he's going to do, but that's it. Sambal batu.
Jadi kita menggunakan batu setengah ton, 500 kilo batu.
So you can't eat what he's cooking because it's all stone, so he's got a bunch of roti, it's like bread, and he's give that away to all the people.
Rasanya
Alright, so make sure you check out his channel. It's Bobon Santoso. I'll leave a link and you can watch this video. So he's got about 200 people there watching him here. And yeah, that was something different, something a little bit exciting. Our little town of Pomogan. So anyway, that's it.